out the number and we add it together. So, who got your whiteboards ready? Got your markers ready? I'm going to write a number on the board and we're going to work on it together. Are we ready? I'm going to write 274. Remember, these are our hundreds, these are our tens, these are our ones. So how much is this worth? How would I write that as a number? What was that? 200. Very good. So if I have 200, what am I going to add to my 200?
70.
Plus 70. Very good. And what's the last number I'm going to add?
4.
And what's our total answer?
274.
Very good. That's called expanded form. We spread out that number to show that 274 has 200, has a 70, and has a 4. Let's try another one.
Thank you.
Are you ready to try another one? Let's try 830. That's a tricky one. We haven't tried a 0 yet today. How many hundreds are there?
800.
800s. So we would write 800. How many tens?
30.
33 tens. Now here's the tricky part. How many ones?
0.
There is 0. So what would our number be?
830.
830. Very good. Everybody sees that now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What if we did it backwards? What if instead of me writing the number, instead of me adding it up, all I gave you was what would our answer be there?
725.
You're right, 725. Can I get tricky on you? Are you smart enough to handle a tricky one?
Or not a tricky one.
You sure?
Yes.
This one's going to be really tricky. Let's see how smart my boys are. Write on your boards what you think that answer should look like. You both got it right. You both have this on your board. Whoops, not that. See, teachers make mistakes. Now, on your board, or with your base 10 blocks, show me what that number would look like. With your blocks, show me what that number would look like. Good job. That is correct. Are you ready for me to look, Anthony? Not quite yet? Okay, that's fine. That's right. It would be 3 100 cubes. No. It would be 3 of the 100s. So you would have 3 big squares. You would have no long ones, and you would have 7 little squares. And that's exactly what you guys had. Who would like to be the teacher and write a number on the board for us to have to put in expanded form? Anthony got to go first last time. We'll let Christopher go first this time. All you have to do is write a number on the board, and we have to write it in expanded form. That marker doesn't seem to work. You want to use the black one on the ledge, it works better. Don't use your hand.
The paper right there.
Okay, let's write it in expanded form. So did we get it right, Chris?
Yes. Yes.
Good job. Anthony, would you like to be the teacher now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write a number on the board for us to write in expanded form. It's there, you just can't see it. So did we get it right, Anthony? Look at Chris, see if he got it.
Yes.
Good job. Okay, Chris, now will you go to the board and write it? You'll write it in expanded form. You'll write it in expanded form, and we have to write it in standard form, meaning just the regular number. Remember, standard means normal.
I do.
So you write it in expanded form, and we'll write it in standard form. Am I right, Chris?
Good job.
How about Anthony? Is Anthony right?
Good job.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do this for you.
You're each
Yeah,
gonna,
on the board,
you're
right?
each gonna have a piece of paper, and now you're gonna practice on your own what we learned today. I'm gonna write on the board here 5 types of each problem. First, I'm gonna say, write these numbers in expanded form. Remember, expanded means what? To what?
Spread it out.
To spread out. Write those in expanded form and write
That should be flashing, okay?
these expanded forms, meaning to spread out, as standard numbers. Standard means the same, means what's normal, it's the standard. Make sure to put your name and date on your paper.
I'll watch in a few minutes.
Write these number in expanded form on your paper. Write these number in their standard forms. And then put your name and date on your paper and submit it to my inbox. If you have questions, raise your hand and I will come to you. And stop. Not you guys, the camera.
They got closed view on here, what you do? Close. Okay. That's what I thought.